Parang hindi na assault yan. Magpapa-haircut ako. Samahan niyo ako. Ganda ng haircut ko, be. Hi everybody! Sorry, hindi ako masyado nakakasalita sa vlog because, ewan ko, I've always said na yung vlogging for me is just to share my life and I never apply pressure to it. So, I'm just doing it for fun. So sorry kung di ako lagi nakaka-post. I hope you guys are... My God, ang lamig. I hope you guys are doing well. And... see you soon. Bye! Wala. Dito po kami sa IKEA ni Girly Pop. Bibili po ng cabinet. Pero naka-lashes yun. Nag-gouache ako. Kasi sabi ko, so, lagi namang puffy yung face ko. Ate, hindi na yan, fluid build-up. Taba yan. So, kung nakikita nyo, iba na ang background natin. So, yes, ako ay nag-move. Many factors, many reasons bakit kailangan kong umalis dun sa dati kong place. Pero, ang biggest factor for me, naloloka na ako sa landlord ko. And yung quality ng sleep ko, hindi na talaga maganda kasi yung flatmates ko are both guys. So medyo, iba kapag when you live with, guys compared to, for example, girls. So yun, so I really love that place since that's my longest accommodation here. So anyway, that's in zone 2, so medyo mas mahal siya than here. I'm very much happy here and sobrang at peace ako. Sorry kung nakaka-distract. I have to do this while vlogging. Parang may difference kagad. I don't know. From my last vlog, gusto ko lang kayo i-update a little bit na a lot has been happening actually. Work-wise, medyo naloka na talaga ako. Gusto ko lang i-share na, I have to stop doing this. Gusto ko lang i-share na, yeah, last September, na-assault na naman ako for the second time in the ward where I'm working. And, you know, kung yung iba do not know where I work, I obviously work in mental health. So, assault, verbal assault, and especially physical assault is, you know, never acceptable in any kind of workplace. Kahit you work in a mental health ward pa or in a general hospital. I know that we are, you know, taking care of very unwell people, pero it's never acceptable. So, kung may mga nurses man or mga friends ako dito na, you know, watching my vlog, hopefully, yeah, I don't want you guys to accept that. And like I said, hindi siya healthy. It's not healthy for your well-being. It's not healthy for your own mental health. So as much as possible, if you can move somewhere safer to work in, you should do that, because that's what I did. And I'm much happier now kung saan ako nag-work ngayon. It's still in mental health, but not acute anymore. Where I used to work, it really taught me a lot. And I have a love-hate relationship with the word resilience, but yeah, it made me resilient. And it doesn't mean that you are resilient, that, you know, you always have to be. You can be vulnerable, you can be weak, and you can be not the strong one. Pwede yun. So, yun. I'm happy. Glowing na naman ang lola niyo. Ano ba yan? Sa MS ang lola niyo. Grocery tayo.
I made a lot of money.
Hi! 3 o'clock pa lang ang dilim na. Nakakatamad ng liwaliw. See ya! Bye! I am currently making menudo. So lahat ng niluluto kong ulam may spinach. Kahit yata adobo, lalagyan ko talaga ng spinach. Ano mas magandang cup? Harry Potter? Green cup. Ito na lang. Nice yan. Tchanan! Papalambasin ko ba tong araw na to? Maganda yung makeup natin. Tulala na ang gastadora. I got this book by Harper Lee. Yung author ng How to Kill a Mockingbird or To Kill a Mockingbird. Hindi ko pa to nasa-start. I'm surprised to know na 2 books lang yung sinulat ni Harper Lee ever. This is her 3rd book, which was published in 2025. Yung last one niya, 2015, and then before that was yung To Kill a Mockingbird, which was written in the 1960s. Sobrang crazy. That's crazy to live off from one book's, royalty. So from what I gathered, she already died 2016. So i-research ko pa paano na-complete tong book na to, May isa pa akong book na binili. Itong The Year of Magical Thinking by Joe Didion. Nahihirapan akong simulan. Parang nasa ano pa lang ako, 16 pages. Parang naiyak na ako. Ayoko na. Update ko kayo kung makakayang naiyak ako! Update ko kayo kung kaya kong tapusin. Usually, nagdadala pa naman ako ng books sa pag nagko-commute ako. Pero parang hindi ko kayang hindi ko to kayang basahin publicly. Parang so yung book is obviously about death. Naiyak ako, naalala ko yung mami ko. The reason why it's called The Year of Magical Thinking is because sabi niya, she had to develop an irrational, magical thinking to survive her own grief. Try kong mag-karaoke. Baka pwede na tayo mag-quit ng nursing, no? Tingnan ko lang. Anong kala niyo sa akin, hindi shy type? Shy ako, no? Ito ang tinatawag na pinagbabawal na technique. Ang pagkanta sa banyo. Only have a couple minutes and it already kind of feels like back on your sofa. Of course I still care. Love's never wasted when it's Hindi pa magko-quit ng career levels. Pero, pwede na, diba? Merry Christmas to my friends and family. Miss ko na kayo. Message kayo ng message sa akin ng kung ano-ano ha. Pabili ng ganun, pabili ng ganun. Ay, hindi pa millionaire si Tita Ali. Anong kala niya sa akin, ha? Sapakain ko na talaga kayo. Sobrang random lang ng mga vlog ko. Pero I hope you still like it. Thank you again for watching my vlog. And see you next year. Bye-bye! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Mwah!